Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at an executive decision I made with my 300, well HO, Backman and Thomas and Friends characters. Because I'm not a fan of CGI at all, I've removed their faces. So first, make sure the points are right. We will bring in Toby. God, this sounds horrible. And here's Toby. Obviously, a slightly different colour with the light on, but without it. But this is matte cleared, well, satin cleared. Where's a painty stick? Where's a painty stick? There's a painty stick. So yeah, I've removed the face and with a bit of cardboard painted. It's basically the smoke box door the EJ70 had. The faces I've still got, and it'll be easy to put them back in. Though the iMac won't ever work again because I kind of broke that bit. Yeah. So yeah, there's Toby. So bye bye Toby. Bugger off. Come on. Next we will bring in and here's Edward. So Shazer. As you can see he's got crew fitted. I need to find a way to do a cabin interior. But for his smoke box door I had a spare Albert Hall by Triang. So I popped that out, cut off the backing. This again is black tacked in, so you could easily go back to his face. So yeah, we got Albert Hall's smoke box door on here for Edward. Right, let's get Edward out of the way. Big armour, hand of God. Here we go. Now, if he doesn't derail, sticker points. Which one's there? The Hornby range, I might want to do this too. Well, might do one of the Thomases. So, yeah. He's in the dead spot. No, because I'm using the wrong control. Ha ha ha. So, here's Gordon. This is a smoke box door for my tender dry flying Scotsman, which fits straight away into Gordon, even though it's not the Hornby Gordon, which is a flying Scotsman. Well, lay free. There's a bit of back tech on his amp bracket there. Oh, there you go. So yeah, flying Scotsman. Just pity I'm not skilled enough for how to do handrails. Gordon too has a couple of crew inside. He's got a fireman shoveling from his tender and a driver, and Gordon will be left-hand drive, whilst Edward will be right-hand drive, and Toby doesn't matter because he's a tram. So yeah, here's Gordon with his smoke box door. I think they look much better, and if I get the Backman Fine Scotsman, I'll be doing the same to that because it's going to apparently be effectively the same as Gordon's. I hope the running plate's different because Scotsman's was different, even in Railway Series. So yeah, so that's what we've done. The other costume I've done is, for Road Thomas, I've added backing pipes, painted the running board, painted the underneath black, so painted the rear lamp, bit of the rear back pipe. I could deface this and buy one of the cheap polys or something like that and put that as a smoke box. So yeah, that might be the one I do that with. So anyway, that's it for today's video. I'll bring Edward back in. Cheers very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So do all that YouTube stuff. You know it helps the algorithm. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and watch the video. Share it. Watch it again. Watch it again and again. We help the push the algorithm. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I just realised Toby's coming as well. Yeah. Anyway, obviously I haven't done Scarlet because I believe his face is moulded. It might be separate, but if I want to do Scarlet, we just get Talaclear. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.